Hello friends, so welcome to fifth session of online internship program. So in this session we'll learn how to delete the record from the particular table. In the previous session we learned how to insert the record into a table. In this session we'll learn how to delete the record. So using the database connection, let me show. Let me log into the dashboard, admin. Okay, this is the dashboard. Previously we have created a new page. It means that a new register to enter the stock details. So here we need to create one more page to delete the record. So if I click on this link, it should go to the new delete.jsp page. It means that new page. Let me create the page. Go to your project, right click on your project, go to new. There we have to select other. So here in web we have to select JSP, click on next. The page name will give delete.jsp. No need to mention the extension because we are taking JSP page. By default it will take the extension delete and finish. Okay, this is the delete page. Let me do the same thing. I'll copy some content. It means that mark and br type from the login and paste it here in the delete.jsp page. Okay, let me take table. Within the table, what I'll do is I'll take tr, td, and td. Anyway, we need to delete a record from the table. So let me go to a database. This is the product table that we have. In that product table we have two rows of data. So PID is 1444555. If I want to delete any particular record from this table, we need to provide some input. It means that input means no need to provide product ID, name, description, quantity, and all those things. We need to provide only the one parameter that should be unique. So here we found PID is the unique. So let me take PID as input. So here I'll go to P underscore ID, PID. Let me close the tr tag and td. Input type is equal to text and name is equal to PID. Sorry, PID. Okay, and let me close tr tag. Let me take one more tr and tr td. Input type is equal to submit and value is equal to delete. Okay, and close table row and close table and use center tag, center, close this center after table, cut, go to and paste it here. Let me give some heading, h3, delete stock, stock, delete stock. Okay, let me save this file and stop the server and start the server again. Let me stop the server. We need to provide the link, right? So go to the dashboard. So dashboard, here we need to provide the link to the delete.jsp page. So how to provide the link? Use anchor tag ahref is equal to delete.jsp and let me close this tag after this button. Okay, save the content and start the server. Start. Okay, it is starting. So as I told, it will take some time to get start. So it is loading. Okay, server is started. So here it shows that server startups, and go to your browser. We have to come from login page, remove this and press enter, and we have to provide the username admin and admin login, and here we have an option called delete stock. Click on the delete stock. It will go to this page, delete stock. Let me put go to delete.jsp. Let me put this heading inside center tag. Inside center tag, save and go and refresh the content. Okay, now delete stock. We have to provide the product ID so that we can delete the content, delete the record from the particular table. But we have not yet written the code to delete the record. Just we have created an interface. That's it. So here we have to create another servlet where we can where we have to receive this PID, and we have to write the database connection, and we have to delete the record in the same way as we did in the previous session to insert the new record. Okay, so let me go to the data.jsp. Here we have to use the form tag. Let me use form tag. Form action is equal to delete. I'll use the servlet or controller name, and method I'll use post. Okay, after that you have to close this form tag, remember. So after the table tag you have to close. Okay, form action delete. So this is the controller name. Copy this and go to your webinf/src. Right click on your webinf/src folder. Go to new. Go and select class. Sorry. So here we need to provide the name, delete, and click on finish. So this is the class. We need to convert the class into servlet. stends extends http servlet. So here we need to import a notation, web servlet. Okay, and then delete. So here we need to include a method do post. This is the method we need to import. So okay, here we need to remove these two lines, and we have to receive a request. It means that only one request we have to receive, because we are sending only one request from delete.jsp page. String PID is equal to req.get parameter. So what is the name that we have given is PID. Go to delete.java, and here we need to mention the name. And again, so after this, what we have to do is we have to go to new registration, new arrays.java. We have to copy all these things right from catch block, and these content I'll copy and I'll paste it here in delete.jsp. And don't do copy paste, just type by your own, because if you are keep typing the things, it will become practice, and you can understand it very easily what exactly the connection meaning, how it will work, and all those things. So that's why here class.for name we are using all these three lines compulsorily for all the connections. So now we are deleting the data from the particular table. So now no need of this line, so I'll use this no need of this line inside. I'll remove this. So remaining all those lines are same except this line. So response dot send redirect after deleting the content. The way the controller should go, to this page, delete.jsp page. Okay, remember, copy this and paste it here. Delete. I will mention delete. Okay, here to delete the record, you already know the query. Delete from which table? Products. Where condition we have to put, if where, because we are trying to delete a particular record from the table, so that's why we need to mention where condition, where we have to take, we are deleting the record based on the product ID. So here the column name is PID. We have to mention PID. It represents the column name is equal to single quote double quote place of. So we have to pass this PID which we received from the delete.jsp page. So now okay, and that's it. Let me check the record is deleted about. So let me stop the server and start the server. Okay, so only this much we have to follow the same procedure what we did earlier for login check and as well as new registration. Just I change only these things, so remaining all the lines are same. here execute update, because we are deleting the record. To delete, update and insert, we have to use the same method, and here we need to change the query to delete from products where PID is equal to PID, and after deleting the record where the controller should go, we have to mention the path. So the controller should go to delete.jsp page. Okay, server is started. Go to your browser and remove this and refresh the browser, login into your dashboard. Okay, click on delete stock. Okay, so here we need to mention the product ID 444. So let me give 444 and press on delete. Okay, it is showing get is not supported by URL. That means we did a mistake. So what the mistake that we did is, here post method is there and delete. Okay, method name spelling is mistake. Method. This is the mistake that I did, and go back and refresh. 444 delete. Right now it come back to the same page where we have given the product ID. So delete.jsp, go to your database and check it out. Product is deleted successfully. It is working perfectly. So this is how we can delete a particular record from the products table. So very simple. Delete.java. These are all the command lines for all the transactions, and this one is also same, execute update, and except the query is different. So here in this case we are deleting the record. That's why we need to mention delete from products, from which table we want to delete, and where condition we have to put, because we need to delete only the particular record. After deleting the record, the controller should go to delete.jsp, and that's it for this session. Thank you so much.